Hello farmers, una welcome back to DIY farm. Make una sorry say I bin never post video for very long time, just because of one or two things and other engagement. So but now I dey fully with una. So hello my farmers, una welcome back to DIY farm. Please, if you never subscribe, no forget to subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified when we drop another video. So let's go. So for today's video, we go talk some things, some mistake wey you no suppose put hand, especially when you dey practice organic poultry farm. E get some mistake wey you no need to put hand, because when you put hand for that kind mistake, e go really affect your poultry farming for very bad way, especially when you dey do organic poultry farm. So we go outline them and we go talk about them one after the other. Wetin be some of those things wey you need avoid as you dey practice organic poultry farm? Wetin be some of those mistakes you need to avoid as you dey practice organic poultry farm? Number one be say no carry vaccinated bird or your last vaccinated batch of bird to this new organic bird when you dey raise. That one dey very important, because when you carry your bird, especially when you practice synthetic farming, you carry am come mix with this bird, e go really affect this bird, because some of these vaccinated birds dem get some sickness, and when you come mix them with organic bird, dem fit cause strong sickness wey even fit wipe all your birds comot. So e dey very important, no mix vaccinated bird with this your organic bird. If you wan practice organic farming, do pure organic farming. If you wan practice synthetic farming, do pure synthetic farming. The next one be say e no good to mix organic drugs with synthetic drugs. Wetin be dis organic drugs? Organic drugs na drugs wey dem make from leaves like pawpaw leaf, garlic, ginger, or other natural plant dem. Some of dem na ginger, some of dem na turmeric, some of dem na neem leaf. So e no good to mix dis organic medication with synthetic medication. E go really affect your bird for a very bad way. As I don talk before, if you wan do organic farming, do organic farming. If you wan do synthetic farming, do synthetic farming. Take note of that one, very important. The next one be say feeding and medication of your birds, very important. Well, as you dey practice organic farming, e no mean say you no go feed your birds or give your birds the necessary drugs. As you switch to organic farming, e no mean say you go stop to give your bird drugs, because some people dey say when you do organic farming, your bird no go ever sick. That one na lie. Your birds fit sick, but these drugs dem dey very cheap. So e dey very important to dey feed your bird and dey give them their normal medication. So as you don switch to organic poultry farm, you go give them their organic drug with some of this material like garlic, ginger, turmeric, neem leaf, Christmas melon, and so on. And again, you go dey feed them regularly. E no mean say when you do organic farming, e no mean say you no go feed your bird. No, you go feed your bird. Then the last one wey we wan talk about na biosecurity. Dey very important. Wetin be biosecurity? Biosecurity na the measure or means wey farmer dey take protect im bird or even protect himself or im staff for the poultry farming. Na the step wey farmer dey take to protect im bird from disease in the poultry farm. So as an organic poultry farmer, you need to take biosecurity serious. Wetin be some of those biosecurity tips? Some of them na to dey clean your poultry house daily, dey clean their drinker and their waterer, keep their feed clean. Give them clean feed, no give them contaminated feed, no give them contaminated water. So biosecurity dey very important for poultry farm, because as we know, when you dey practice organic poultry farming, you no go too much experience some of this plenty disease, because they give them natural plants, and these natural plants dem no get side effect, and some of these natural plants dem be growth booster. So na some of the things wey farmer need avoid, especially when they practice organic poultry farm. As we talk, number one, take note of biosecurity. Two, no carry vaccinated bird mix with organic bird. Three, give them their medication and feed properly. And again, no mix organic drugs with synthetic drug. Na the thing wey we just reverse. So if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. Bye. Thanks for watching. See you for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to DIY Farm. Bye. Love you.